Hello and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into the magic of farmhouse Christmas design, where neutral tones meet cozy holiday charm. If you love the idea of rustic warmth, layered textures, and that effortless lived-in elegance, you're in the right place. We're transforming every corner of a farmhouse home into a winter wonderland that feels both festive and timeless. Before we begin this beautiful journey, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite Christmas decor style. And give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for some serious holiday magic. Let's create something beautiful together. Your farmhouse exterior sets the stage for the entire holiday experience. Think classic white or cream siding adorned with simple yet elegant greenery. Drape fresh cedar garlands along the porch railings, mixing in eucalyptus for that silvery green contrast. A neutral burlap bow on the front door, paired with a wreath made of pinnacones and white berries, creates instant farmhouse charm. Consider adding vintage lanterns on either side of the entrance with battery-operated candles for a warm glow. The key to farmhouse exterior design is restraint. Let natural materials shine without overwhelming the architecture. This approach creates what designers call organic symmetry, where balance feels effortless rather than forced, welcoming guests with understated holiday elegance. Your entryway establishes the entire home's holiday narrative. Install a rustic wooden coat rack adorned with a simple evergreen garland and cream-colored ribbon. Below, place a vintage bench with a cozy plaid cushion for removing shoes, flanked by galvanized metal baskets for winter accessories. Hang a large wooden framed mirror above a narrow console table, styling it with a wooden tray holding keys and a small potted paperwhite. The floor should feature a natural jute mat layered with a smaller festive doormat. Add a ceramic crock filled with umbrellas and walking sticks wrapped with jute twine and small bells. This layered approach creates what we call functional warmth, where every practical element doubles as thoughtful decor, making guests feel immediately at home. The living room embodies farmhouse Christmas at its finest. Start with a neutral linen sofa dressed in layered throw blankets. Think chunky cable knit in cream, plaid flannel, and soft fox fur. Pile on pillows in varying textures, burlap, linen, and cotton with subtle holiday motifs. Your coffee table should feature a wooden dough bowl filled with natural elements like pinnacones, dried orange slices, and cinnamon sticks. Flank your fireplace with stockings hung from a reclaimed wood mantel adorned with white candles in varying heights, fresh greenery, and vintage brass candlesticks. Position a large basket filled with firewood nearby. The Christmas tree should be dressed simply with wooden ornaments, twine garland, and warm white lights, demonstrating edited maximalism, abundant yet curated. Transform your farmhouse dining table into a neutral holiday masterpiece. Begin with a natural linen table runner down the center, layering eucalyptus branches and white taper candles in vintage brass holders. Use simple white stoneware plates topped with linen napkins tied with jute twine and a sprig of rosemary. Wooden chargers add rustic warmth beneath each setting. Create a centerpiece using a long wooden tray filled with white pumpkins, pinnacones, and mercury glass votives for soft ambient lighting. Hang a simple greenery chandelier above the table using fishing line and an embroidery hoop wrapped in garland. This creates what designers call vertical interest, drawing the eye upward while maintaining that farmhouse simplicity. Keep glassware simple and clear to let natural elements shine. Your kitchen becomes extra inviting with subtle Christmas touches. Drape simple garland across open shelving, tucking in small white ceramic houses and vintage rolling pins. Style your countertops with a wooden tray near the coffee station holding a small potted rosemary tree, creating both decor and fresh herbs. Hang a wreath inside glass front cabinets for unexpected charm. The refrigerator can feature a simple burlap and greenery garland secured with magnetic hooks. Near the stove, display vintage enamelware filled with wooden spoons and fresh evergreen sprigs. Add a runner along the island with a dough bowl centerpiece filled with ornaments in cream and natural wood tones. This approach exemplifies kitchen layering, where decorative elements enhance rather than hinder your cooking space, maintaining both beauty and practicality. The family room should feel like a warm embrace during the holidays. Range seating around your flat-screen TV with an oversized sectional dressed in neutral slipcovers and layered with sheepskin throws. Create a gallery wall beside the television featuring vintage Christmas cards and simple wood frames. Style the media console with a narrow garland interspersed with family photos and cream-colored frames and small wooden trees. Add a large woven basket filled with extra blankets and holiday throw pillows nearby. The coffee table should hold a stack of vintage books topped with a small lantern and evergreen sprig. Install simple floating shelves displaying white ceramic pitchers and ironstone, touched with holly. This demonstrates livable elegance, where the space remains functional for daily life while embracing seasonal beauty. Your farmhouse home office deserves festive attention without sacrificing functionality. Position your desk near natural light, styling it with a small vintage radio playing holiday classics softly in the background. Add a unique brass desk clock as both functional timepiece and decorative element. Drape lightweight garland across the top of your bookshelf, weaving in small battery-operated lights. Keep your desk accessories in neutral tones. Use a wooden tray to crayon pens in a ceramic crock, alongside a small succulent wrapped with burlap and twine. Hang a simple wreath on the wall or over your desk chair. Add a cozy throw on your office chair for those longer working sessions. This creates transitional workspace design, maintaining professionalism while acknowledging the season, proving work and warmth can beautifully coexist. Carve out a peaceful reading nook that invites holiday relaxation. Position a comfortable slip-covered armchair near a window, draped with a chunky knit blanket in cream. Add a small side table holding a vintage brass lamp with a linen shade, styled with a stack of classic holiday books and a steaming mug. Place a sheepskin rug beneath your feet for extra coziness. On the wall, hang a simple shelf displaying white ironstone and a small evergreen arrangement in a vintage pitcher. Add a woven basket nearby for storing extra reading materials and brews. String a simple garland around the window frame with tiny pinnacones attached. This exemplifies Hig design, the Danish concept of creating cozy contentment. Perfect for those quiet holiday moments with a good book and warm drink. Transform your bedroom into a neutral Christmas sanctuary. Start with crisp white bedding layered with a cream cable knit throw at the foot and plaid flannel accent pillows. Drape simple greenery across your headboard or along a wooden ladder leaning against the wall, holding extra blankets. Your nightstands should feature vintage brass lamps, small white ceramic trees, and a wooden tray with a candle and seasonal book. Hang a wreath above the bed or on the closet door using natural grapevine base with minimal embellishment. Add a bench at the foot of the bed with a cozy throw and decorative pillows. Consider a garland along the window frame with touches of cotton stems for softness. This approach embodies restful elegance, where holiday decor enhances tranquility rather than disrupting it, ensuring peaceful sleep throughout the season. Create a guest bedroom that wraps visitors in farmhouse holiday comfort. Dress the bed in soft neutral linens with a plaid duvet and multiple pillow options for varying preferences. Place a wooden tray on the bed holding a handwritten welcome note, bottled water, and small evergreen sprig. Style the dresser with a vintage mirror, flanked by white candles and a small arrangement of cotton stems in a ceramic pitcher. Hang a simple stocking on the closet door personalized with your guest's name, a thoughtful touch they'll remember. Add a cozy throw on a chair with a basket underneath holding extra towels and toiletries. Include a small nightstand vignette with reading material and a soft lamp. This demonstrates hospitality design, where every detail communicates warmth and consideration, making guests feel genuinely cherished. Design a children's bedroom that captures Christmas excitement while maintaining farmhouse simplicity. Use white or cream bedding with playful plaid or buffalo check accents. Hang a garland of felt ball ornaments in neutral tones across the headboard. Create a small reading corner with 4 cushions, a teepee draped with fairy lights, and a basket of holiday storybooks. Style shelves with wooden ties, white ceramic animals, and small evergreen branches. Add a vintage sled prop against the wall as decorative storage for stuffed animals. Include a small advent calendar in natural wood tones on the dresser. Keep decorations touchable and child-safe, avoiding glass ornaments. This approach represents playful sophistication, where design remains elevated while celebrating childhood wonder, creating memories that last beyond the season. Elevate your bathroom into a holiday retreat with subtle farmhouse touches. Roll crisp white towels and place them in a wire basket, topped with a eucalyptus bundle and tied with twine. Style your vanity with a wooden tray holding a ceramic soap dispenser, small potted evergreen, and a candle in a vintage brass holder. Hang a simple wreath above the mirror or on the shower door using a suction hook. Add a cotton bath mat in cream or natural tones. Near the shower, place a small ladder towel rack draped with white towels and a sprig of greenery. Consider adding a small vase with white flowers and evergreen branches on the windowsill. Include luxury elements like a white waffle weave rope on a hook. This creates spa sensibility, where farmhouse aesthetics meet resort-like comfort. Don't overlook the powder room. It's perfect for festive impact. Hang a dramatic wreath on the mirror or wall in oversized proportion to the small space. Replace everyday hand towels with special holiday guest towels and cream linen with subtle embroidery. Style the vanity minimally with a wooden tray holding a vintage soap dish and small white ceramic tree. Add a jar of cotton balls topped with a cinnamon stick bundle tied with twine. Place a small arrangement of eucalyptus in a bud vase. Consider swapping out your regular toilet paper holder cover with a seasonal one in neutral burlap. Add a scented candle and seasonal fragrances like pine, cinnamon, or vanilla. This demonstrates jewel box design, treating small spaces as opportunities for concentrated beauty, leaving lasting impressions on guests. Even your garage deserves farmhouse Christmas attention. Organize tools on a pegboard painted in neutral tones, adding a simple garland along the top edge. Style storage shelves with galvanized metal bins labeled with chalkboard tags, tucking in small evergreen sprigs. Hang a wreath on the door leading into the house. Create a potting station area with vintage enamelware holding gardening supplies, decorated with natural elements. Add battery-operated lights along exposed beams for ambient evening lighting. Use wooden crates for storage, stacking them attractively and adding seasonal touches. Keep one corner designated for gift wrapping supplies organized in a vintage cabinet. Install hooks for hanging wreaths, garland, and other seasonal decor when not in use. This represents comprehensive design thinking, extending your aesthetic throughout the entire property, creating cohesive beauty everywhere. Transform your covered patio into an outdoor holiday room. Range weather-resistant furniture with neutral outdoor cushions layered with plaid blankets for chilly evenings. Hang a large wreath on the exterior wall and drape garland along railings with pinnacones and berries. Add an outdoor rug in natural jute to define the space. Style a console table with lanterns of varying heights filled with battery candles, flanked by galvanized buckets holding evergreen branches. Include a basket with extra blankets for guests. String cafe lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Place a wooden tray on the coffee table with a hurricane candle and natural elements. Add potted evergreens and vintage crocks near the entrance. This exemplifies indoor-outdoor flow, seamlessly extending your farmhouse aesthetic beyond walls, maximizing usable square footage during the holidays. Create an unforgettable outdoor dining experience on your patio. Center a farmhouse table with a burlap runner and eucalyptus garland down the middle, studded with white candles and glass hurricanes for wind protection. Use simple white outdoor dinnerware with cloth napkins and natural linen. Hang a chandelier made from a wooden ladder suspended horizontally, wrapped in greenery and lights. Add heat lamps or a fire pit nearby for warmth during cooler evenings. Style a nearby sideboard with beverage stations and galvanized tubs and vintage enamelware. Drape string lights in a canopy pattern overhead for enchanting evening illumination. Include plenty of seating with mix-match chairs painted in cream. This approach demonstrates occasion design, creating spaces specifically for memorable gatherings, proving that farmhouse elegance extends seamlessly to outdoor entertaining. Dedicate a space to beautiful seasonal storage using farmhouse principles. Use vintage wooden crates and galvanized metal bins for organizing ornaments, labeling each with chalkboard tags. Store garlands in long flat boxes on high shelves, tucked with cedar sachets for freshness. Hang wreaths on wall-mounted hooks in a closet or storage room. Keep a rolling cardstock with wrapping supplies, ribbons, and tags in neutral tones ready for use. Store textiles like throw blankets and pillow covers in breathable cotton bags with lavender sachets. Maintain an inventory list in a vintage clipboard hung inside the storage area door. Use clear bins for smaller items so you can easily see contents. This organization method represents sustainable design practice, protecting your investment in quality decorations while maintaining the farmhouse aesthetic even in utilitarian spaces. Let's discuss key techniques for achieving this look successfully. First, embrace the rule of 3. Grouping items in odd numbers creates visual interest. Layered textures abundantly mix rough burlap with soft linen, smooth ceramic with rustic wood. Maintain a cohesive color palette of whites, creams, natural woods, and touches of green from natural elements. Use varying heights and vignettes to create dimension. Incorporate vintage and new pieces together for collected over time authenticity. Don't forget negative space farmhouse design breeds, so avoid overcrowding surfaces. Use natural elements as your primary decorating material, supplementing with manufactured items sparingly. Finally, remember scale and proportion. Ensure decorations suit the size of your space. These professional techniques transform ordinary spaces into magazine-worthy designs while maintaining the effortless farmhouse feel everyone loves. Thank you so much for joining me on this farmhouse Christmas design journey. Remember, creating a beautiful holiday home isn't about perfection, it's about crafting spaces that reflect your personal style while welcoming loved ones warmly. Start with one room, incorporate natural elements, layer neutral textures, and let the beauty unfold organically. The farmhouse aesthetic celebrates simplicity, authenticity, and comfort, making it perfect for the holiday season. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who appreciate cozy design. Drop a comment below telling me which room you're most excited to decorate this Christmas. And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas and hit the notification bell for more design inspiration delivered right to you. Happy decorating, and may your farmhouse Christmas be filled with warmth, joy, and beautiful memories.